Hi, this is Sandy. Welcome back for your fourth practice in the Everyday Helpers series. Today, we will give your brain a boost. This will result in renewed focus and a surge of creativity. In order to do that, we'll work with cross-lateral, oppositional, and lower abdominal movement, as well as learn a couple of tricks to restore and balance the nervous system. So, to begin, come into your preferred seated position on the floor. Close your eyes, settle your shoulders, check in with your tongue and your mouth. Let the lips and the cheeks soften. Allow the tongue to float freely in your mouth. As you are, breathe in through the nose and out through open, softly rounded lips. In through the nose, out through the mouth. One more, just like that. And now silently attach a count to your inhale at your rhythm, your pace. Maintain that same pace as you exhale through the mouth, making the exhalation 2 to 4 beats longer than the inhale. So again, breathe in steadily and completely through the nose. Then an extended exhalation through lightly opened lips. And one more just like that. Okay, so now with your eyes open or closed, roll the left shoulder back 4 times, 4 backward shoulder circles, left side only, and then the same thing on the right, 4 backward shoulder circles, and now both shoulders back 4 times, and then both together forward 4 times. Okay, so things are going to get tricky here. So roll the left shoulder back as the right shoulder rolls forward. Simultaneous shoulder rolls in opposition. Left rolls back as the right rolls forward. You may need a couple of tries to find a feeling of fluidity. And when you do 3 more oppositional shoulder rolls. Left rolls back as the right rolls forward. Okay, so now let's reverse that. So the right shoulder does backward circles as the left side rolls forward. Right rolls back as the left rolls forward. Again, find your flow, and once you do, then complete 3 more oppositional circles. Right back as the left rolls forward. Wonderful. Okay, so the work, the stress that you are feeling in your brain, this is to accommodate the oppositional movement, and that's part of the stimulation and balancing of the nervous system. Okay, now let's take a break from the head work and come down onto your back. As you are, bend the knees, feet flat. Inhale, rock the pelvis forward. Exhale to roll it back in towards you. Do 4 more of these pelvic tilts. Inhale to rock the pelvis away from you, creating a tiny low back arch. Exhale to rock it back in towards you, curling the tail off the floor. Just a couple more. Find a pace that works for you. Begin to get a sense of the rhythm, the movement. Okay, and bring it back to neutral. From here, extend both legs straight into the air and both arms straight up into the air, directly up from the shoulders. This is sometimes called dead bug pose. Take a breath in and then exhale to lower the right arm down toward the head as the left leg lowers in the opposite direction toward the floor. Inhale back up, then exhale to lower the left arm down toward the head as the right leg lowers away down toward the floor. Inhale up, exhale, repeat, right arm and left leg. Inhale up, exhale, left arm and right leg. Okay, continue with this cross-lateral and oppositional movement, completing 4 more rounds. Both sides is 1 round. Wonderful. All right, finish up and then hug both knees into the body. Release the arms to the floor, keeping the knees bent in. As you inhale, roll the hips up off of the floor as if you're trying to roll up into shoulder stand, but keep the knees bent, only roll up a little bit, and then right back down. Inhale to roll the hips off of the floor, exhale to settle them back down. So this is a way to stimulate the lower abdominals, thus activating the second chakra, your seat of creativity. Do 8 to 12 of these lower abdominal lifts. Now, just for a bit of relief, place the feet back down onto the floor, flat on the floor, knees bent, hip width apart. Inhale to roll up through the spine into modified bridge. Exhale to roll back down. 3 more times, just like that. Inhale to roll up, peeling the spine off the floor. Exhale through nose or mouth to roll down, pasting the spine onto the floor, 1 vertebra at a time. Couple more just like that. Inhale up, exhale down. When you've finished these rounds, draw the knees in, hug them tight, and in your tight little ball, roll back and forth on the spine to eventually bring yourself up to sit. Okay, resituate yourself in your preferred seated posture for meditation. Once you are set, let the hands rest on the knees or in your lap. Eyes open. Inhale to tilt the head back, look up. Exhale to bring the chin down toward the chest. Inhale to look up. Exhale to look down. Do this a few times. It's also just kind of a nice way to get rid of some neck tension. And now, as you tilt the head back, focus your eyes downward toward the floor. Then tilt the head down as the eyes roll up to look up toward the ceiling. Inhale, head tilts back as the eyes look down. Exhale, head tilts forward as the eyes look up. Keep going, do this several times. It'll take the nervous system a moment to make sense of this unexpected movement. When you are ready, pause. Feel free to squeeze the eyes closed and open a few times just to help them release the effort. And now, inhale as you turn the head to look left. Exhale to turn the head to the right. Inhale, look to the left. Exhale to the right. And I think you know what's coming. Inhale to turn the head and look left. As you exhale to turn the head to the right, keep the eyes focused to the left for as long as you can. Once the head is completely turned to the right, bring the eyes over to gaze to the right. Then keep the eyes looking to the right as the head turns left. When you have to, bring the eyes over to look left. Then, eyes stay looking to the left as the head turns right. When necessary, eyes come over to gaze right. Head turns left, keeping the eyes to the right. Go back and forth just like this a couple more times at your own speed. It is natural for the eyes to rebel a little bit here, There will be some tension, but it will work its way out. And that is your sign that your brain has caught up with this. Okay, well done. And now, however you are seated, just take a gentle twist to the right, using your left hand outside the right leg, right hand behind for support. Deep breath in and out in the twist. Then inhale back center, exhale to twist to the left. Full breath in and out in the twist. Then inhale back to center, exhale to repeat the twist to the right. Full breath in the twist. Inhale back center, exhale left, taking another full breath in the twist before returning to center. Okay, reestablished upright seat. Let the eyes close. Under the closed lids, just roll the eyes around in circles to the right a few times, and then to the left. And then let the closed eyes neutralize. As you are seated with eyes closed, bring one palm to the low belly underneath the navel. Let the other hand rest on top of the first hand. Take your mind's eye to your low belly or second chakra. Inhale to feel the low belly expand forward into the hands. Exhale fully to feel it gently pull away. Keep breathing in this way with your attention to the expansion and retraction of the low belly, but add a small piece. As you continue the low belly focused breath, touch your tongue tip to the upper palate, just behind and between your two front teeth. This will create a signal to the sushumna, or the metaphysical spine, to harmonize the second chakra's creative energy with the acuity of the physiological central nervous system. Tip of the tongue behind the two front teeth, breathing focused on the low belly. And continue with this for another minute or so. And when you feel ready, simply sit quietly. Eyes remain closed. Hands are now on your knees or in your lap, palms down. Take this time to integrate the energies of creativity and focus that you have generated. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time, bye.